5 things I do on my website that you can steal. Joined by Lachlan today. Let's find the things that you can steal. Not the images, please don't steal.
Or the text, please don't do that. I actually have seen so many websites that have stolen Taylor's text and converted it into other languages. We know what you're doing, guys. We know how to use Google Translate. Stop stealing his about section. We literally have an AI assistant to write your biography for you. You don't need to take Taylor's, it's his.
Lachlan just got off a red-eye flight.
Trademark.
I don't know what time, and he hasn't slept. He's ready to go. What are the 5 things? Number 1.
Don't be stupid.
I guess we just covered that.
No, I'm
else
not
you
done
got?
yet. Okay, number 1 is have a website. Taylor has a website, so he's already beating you if you don't have one. Please, 100% of the time, I see photographers that don't have a website, and I know that they're losing bookings because people are looking for you on places like Google, or they're looking for a professional place where they can see your work, and it doesn't exist. And that leads to them like DMing you on Instagram, and you have this back and forth where they're like, how much does it cost? And you're like, it's this much. And they're like, but I don't understand. And there's like 20 DMs back and forth, and you don't end up booking them. Have a professional website. It's gonna answer a lot of the like common questions you're normally getting over your DMs just by being professional and having a nice website that shows your photos, that shows what you offer, and clients are gonna trust you a lot more.
Don't be stupid, number 1.
Don't be stupid.
Number 2.
Always be calling to action. You really want to have...
It's on the list.
What was number 2? Your face.
This is number 5. It's fine.
We've jumped to number 5.
It's fine.
We're going to number 5?
We'll go back. Call to action.
Call to action. So you always want to have a clear flow through your website. You want to imagine like the path clients are taking through your website. A lot of the time, clients are coming to your site. They want to see your images. They want to see your face, but then they want to know where to go next to actually move on with booking. You'd be surprised how many clients, like they come to your site, they want to book you. You want to make that really easy for them. So if you have a book now button or a pricing button like Taylor has here, then it allows easy access to your packages so clients can see the different things that you offer, find the right fit for them. Maybe they want the 2 to 4 minute film. Maybe they don't want film. And this makes it really easy for them to contact Taylor and just be like, hey, I really want your 8-hour wedding package and engagement session without the film. I'm ready to book.
And focal websites are great for this because there's just literally a call to action everywhere.
Pricing.
Every page, the bottom of every page.
Call to action, more call to action.
Blog posts, it'll be floating there.
Contact form call to action. All forms of call to action, really.
Just sneeze. I'm back. Look at that call to action right at the bottom there.
Always there.
Always be calling to action.
Always be calling to action.
2 calls to action. All right, number 3, SEO.
Ah, yes, SEO. Very important. You want to be like Taylor and Lindsay here, who are fighting for the first page of Google for Forefathers Brewing wedding photography. Who will win? I don't know. But you can only do that if you have properly set up SEO.
There's one other focal website in town that's also fighting for the same like first page rankings as Lindsay and I.
They're beating you? It's because you guys are lazy.
I don't think they're beating us. We're all succeeding together.
It's community over competition. Okay, so what you guys want to do as far as SEO, I highly recommend doing a site search of your website. So just type site : your website domain URL, and then go like this, and it's going to show you all the pages that Google knows about, kind of like Google's library of your website. You'll notice that Taylor's website is configured really nicely here because it's like continuously Taylor Jackson, Kitchener wedding photographer, Kitchener wedding photographer, Kitchener Waterloo wedding photographer. And that's really important because when people are typing in Kitchener, wedding photographer, Google is literally just trying to find them websites that are going to match. And so you'll notice that like everyone showing up on Google, Kitchener wedding photographer, Kitchener Waterloo wedding photographer. And so that's really important that you have your website configured well for SEO that way. Another thing is just make sure your website even shows up. I can't count the number of sites I've gone to where I type in site and then your website, and then there's just nothing. It's like, sorry, there's nothing here. And that's because a lot of photographers don't realize that most websites that you sign up for that aren't focal, you have to actually configure all of that yourself. You have to go to like Google, submit what's called a sitemap or create your own sitemap, or just essentially let Google know that your website even exists. You don't want to be kind of like if a tree falls in a forest and no one hears it, doesn't make a sound. Same thing with websites. You don't want it to be, I made a website but didn't let Google know about it, and so now I have no bookings. So make sure Google actually knows about your website. Do that site search. If nothing comes up, go into what's called Google Search Console, submit your sitemap, let Google know that your site is there. If you don't have a sitemap, make sure you create one. Or you can also just go and like submit the individual website URLs to Google. That works as well, but make sure your site is showing up.
Number 4.
Oh, show your face.
That was number 2. Now it's number 4. Show your face.
Show your face. Also, can't count the number of photographer websites I go to, and it's literally like beautiful images everywhere, but it's like, who took these? I have no idea, because you don't have an about page, you don't have a photo of you, or if you have a photo of you, it's like some weird photo with like shadow, and I'm kind of scared. Be friendly, be like Taylor, have a camera in your hand, be like, hi, I'm the photographer, I smile.
Maybe don't wear sunglasses. I'm roasting my own site
actually,
here.
What the heck?
No sunglasses.
Did you change this lately?
Lindsay changed this for me, and
oh no,
she was like, this one's nicer, you look less like YouTube bro. And I was like, okay.
That's all right.
So maybe no sunglasses.
No sunglasses.
Nothing to hide.
Let those beautiful eyes shine through, right? But really important, like you want your clients to be able to kind of get to know you, build that connection, build trust. That's really the job of your website. And if it's done well, clients are really going to kind of fall in love with you, the experience that you're going to create on their day. And ultimately what's going to happen is your website is going to do a lot of the booking for you. So clients won't need to ask you so many questions. They will pretty much come on your site, connect with you, connect with your work, check out your packages, which
That's
is
number 5.
Number 5.
We did it. We don't need notes.
Connect with your packages. And then they'll send you an inquiry like, hey, this package looks great. I want to book it. Here's my date. And then all you have to do is send them a booking link. If you use Focal, you hit accept. It sends the booking link automatically. They pay their retainer, and away you go. Sign the contract, all in the same link.
Contracts included in Focal.
Business.
But honestly, having packages has made my life so much easier in terms of just how easy it is to work with clients. That I definitely am attracting the clients that would want a package. They know exactly what they want, and they're coming in, and they're just like, how do I buy this right now? And a lot of photographers, myself included for a long time, were just making that too challenging, that there's too many steps. It's like, just make it easier and you'll get paid faster. And usually you'll attract less high maintenance clients as well whenever you make it that easy on someone, because that's what they're looking for. And that client might be looking at your images and they're like, we like images, but then if also the workflow is really nice, just, I don't know, if there's some book you're not going to consider anyone else.
It can be a really great competitive advantage for you if you just make it really easy. That's enough to elevate you over a lot of photographers that might, want to meet you for coffee or set up a Zoom meeting. You'd be surprised how many clients just want to do their own research. They want to be able to gather all the information when they're making their booking decision, and then be able to just empower themselves and take action. It's kind of like, I always use the car dealership example. If you feel like you want to serve your clients in the way of like if you feel like your clients are the type of people that would come into a car dealership and be like, yep, I want that model, I want this option package, this color, I already know how much it costs, like here's the check, don't try to sell me anything else, then this type of system is going to work really well for you. Especially if you're the type of person that feels kind of uncomfortable with like the selling part of your business. Like if you don't want to sell, let your website do the selling for you. If you want to be a salesperson, then absolutely put up no pricing and just be like, contact me for pricing. And then every person that's like, hey, how much does it cost? You can jump on the phone and go all salesman on them, and that's totally fine. But it really just kind of depends on like the type of clientele you're wanting to cater to. And if you're just wanting to kind of have an advantage with that really easy booking experience, then this is the way to do it.
And if you're interested, head on over to bookfocal.com/Taylor and look more into Focal, because you get easy website. They can build it for you, or you can build it yourself very quickly, and you get a full backend as well. So you're able to just take all your bookings, and it makes everything very easy, all in one spot. Minimizes your subscriptions. If you're subscribed to 10 different places all to do the same thing, now you just do it in one place, and life is good.
Plug and play.